Big news for Apple Watch fans. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, the upcoming Apple Watch Ultra 3 is shaping up to be Apple's most advanced smartwatch yet, with satellite connectivity and a new 5G modem rumored to be in the works. These upgrades could take the Ultra lineup to a whole new level, offering better connectivity and more independence from the iPhone. For years, Apple Watches have been limited to 4G LTE, while iPhones have been enjoying 5G speeds since the release of the iPhone 12 back in 2020. That's finally set to change. Apple is reportedly equipping the Ultra 3 with a MediaTek modem that supports 5G RedCap, a low-power version of 5G specifically designed for wearables. This could mean faster speeds, better call quality, and more reliable data connections when away from Wi-Fi. Not to mention, it could also help improve battery life by making connectivity more efficient. Interestingly, this also marks the end of Intel components in Apple's lineup. Over the past few years, Apple has been transitioning away from Intel chips in its MacBooks and other devices, and now, with this new modem, the Apple Watch Ultra 3 will officially cut ties with Intel entirely. It's likely that in the future, Apple will introduce its own C1 modem tailored specifically for wearables, much like the one expected to debut in the iPhone 16e. One of the most exciting rumored features is satellite connectivity. This would allow users to send text messages even when there's no cellular or Wi-Fi signal, making it an absolute game changer for hikers, campers, travelers, or anyone who spends time in remote locations. If this sounds familiar, it's because Apple introduced emergency SOS via satellite with the iPhone 14, allowing users in distress to contact emergency services when outside of network coverage. Last year, Apple expanded this feature in iOS 18, enabling regular texting via satellite, even in non-emergency situations. Now it looks like the Apple Watch Ultra 3 will be the first wearable to offer this level of connectivity, bringing even more independence to users who rely on their watches for communication. But that's not all. Gurman's report also hints that Apple is working on a camera for future Apple Watches. This could be a huge shift in how we use our smartwatches. If Apple manages to pull this off in time for the Ultra 3's release, we could be looking at the first Apple Watch that supports video calls, selfies, or even AI-powered photo enhancements directly from your wrist. Imagine the convenience of taking a quick FaceTime call without needing to pull out your iPhone. If Apple sticks to its usual release schedule, we can expect the Apple Watch Ultra 3 to launch in September, alongside the highly anticipated iPhone 17 lineup. With all these potential upgrades, the Ultra 3 could be the most advanced, connected, and independent Apple Watch yet, pushing the boundaries of what a smartwatch can do. So, what do you think about these rumored features? Are you excited about 5G, satellite connectivity, and the possibility of a built-in camera on the Apple Watch Ultra 3? Would these upgrades make you want to upgrade your current watch, or are they just nice-to-have additions? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay techy and stay connected.